example video for the Cuisinart Spice and Nut Grinder. Today we are grinding rosemary straight from the garden. Been dried. And we're going to fill it right up to the max line there. Ooh. Depth perception, not great. I'm looking through the video. Yep, right there. It goes just barely above the blades to get to that max line. As you can see, I have a lot to do, so we're hoping this will speed things up. Very light pressure needed to get the motor going. This is probably about my fourth batch, and because of that we do have some rosemary dust buildup a little bit there in the crevice that will need to be cleaned out, as well as when you take the cup off, there's a little bit escaping into the bottom. But honestly, that is not that bad and will be easy to clean. And just after that little bit, we have beautiful, nice, fine dusting. If I want, I can put that through a sifter and get out those little sticks that are still in there a little bit, but for the most part I am very happy with that, and this will definitely make this job a lot shorter. So far so good. We will see if we have any problems in the future, but as of right now, I am extremely happy with this product. Both the cup and the lid are dishwasherable, and the cup actually comes with a lid as well that you can just pop on if you want to just keep your spices in the cup. So, A+ rating for this Cuisinart Spice Grinder.
Pretty good. I like it.
This, just make sure you grab this here. Look how loose this is. And then it just doesn't seal right. Look at that. I mean, this is for grinding, but I feel like it's gonna make a lot of mess.
Yeah.
No way. Look at that. It's so loose.
Stopped working completely.